Welcome to the Chapter Websites intro series. Hey, my name is Cyril Burnside, and in this video, we're going to go over how you can use your website to grow your membership base. Okay, so on the main menu, we have an option here that's called Join Us. So when your visitors come to your website, they'll see Join Us, and they'll see there's two different ways that they can join your chapter. Okay, so the first way is obviously Zeta, joining their sorority via your chapter. The other way is actually joining an auxiliary program through your chapter or with your chapter. Okay. So the problem that we saw with a lot of websites or chapter websites that's out there they were using individual emails. They were saying, call us, contact us, or they would say, inbox us on social media. All these different ways of people to be able to actually provide information or show some kind of interest in joining your chapter. And so this was our solution here, or our attempt here to solving that issue with providing an online form, very straightforward and simple, and gives the visitor everything they need so that they can be able to make a decision on how they want to, join your chapter. So real quick, what we're going to do is we're going to go over the Zeta membership, the sorority membership. You're going to click here, and what we do is we give a quick sentence overview of the sorority, and then we have two boxes here, two sections here actually, where we provide information that's really targeted to the viewer. So you have your graduate membership, and then you also have your reclamation membership. Okay, these are ladies that are either already in the sorority or not in the sorority already, but they obviously, they went to college already and they have a degree. And then you have your reclamation of those that are already in the sorority, but they're inactive and they're looking to get active again, right? Just looking for a good chapter to join. On this form page, we actually include the youth and adult and youth auxiliaries, but they will actually be directed to a different page if they were to click this button. So we won't go over that right now. So this is our approach here for this. What we provided here is a option where people can fill out the form, okay, fill out the form, and they can provide their name, their mobile phone, their email, and they can also make a selection, right? So they will come in and they will select whether they're a graduate member. Again, like I said, it's your active members, whether it's undergrads or someone that's active, just maybe just moved new to the area from they might have moved from out of state and now they're coming to your area and they're looking to join the chapter. You have your non-affiliate. These are ladies that have no affiliation to Zeta and looking at just joining the sorority or becoming a member of the sorority at the graduate level. They did not do it at the undergraduate level. And then last but not least, you have your reclamationists. Like I said, those that were active at one point, now they're no longer active. And so now they want to actually join up or, partner up with the chapter. So again, this form makes it very simple, very easy. And then what happens here is when this form is completed, they have a little challenge here that we provide that should cut down the amount of spam, if there's any spam on your page, because you have to answer this question right here. But what happens at this point, that's when the magic all begins. Now, during your project, we went over this, who would actually get the emails when this form is completed. It can go to an individual or it can go through um, a distribution list, right? And so, and when those members actually get that email from the submitter, then they can go ahead and reach out to them and get them the information they need so they can become a member or get in for consideration for becoming a member of either the Zeta sorority membership or through auxiliary membership. Okay. So again, this is Cyril Burnside. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.